everybody, it's Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority. Today we're going to be talking about a brand new tool that literally has only been out a few days for the medical and healthcare and dentist industry, something we really are in need of. Lots of tools out there can do it, but this may be the only one that's all about it and maybe one of the best there is. And the name of it is For those of you who don't know, that was Heartbeat by Don Johnson. Yes, Don Johnson actually sang. Only song he sang worth a darn, but he did do it. So here we go. Heartbeat. Search over 10 million plus healthcare and medical professionals. Let me remind you, this tool only went semi-live Thursday of last week. So that's 5 days ago. So keep that in mind because we're going to delve into it. First thing you need to know is right this minute as we speak, they are adding 4 million more registered nurses. Also, right now, as we speak, they're adding another 4 million doctors and dentists. So keep all that in mind. And the dentist part may be the key because I don't know of any tool that really does dentists. But anyway, let's go. Heartbeat. Here we go. Now, first thing you're going to notice, this is the candidates. There's about 5 million sitting there. Again, remembering. They're adding 4 million more registered nurses. That gets it up to 9. Another 4 million doctors. That gets up 13 million. So it's there. It also has facilities wherein by it has a boatload. Now keep in mind, I'm only looking at Seattle over here, so let's get rid of the Seattle. Over about 1.5 million of facilities. So that's good to know. Facilities are basically, like the hospitals or whatever. And the reason why this is important because it helps you target. Hey, I need people that are doing this in Ohio, and here are the facilities I can choose from. Great. But getting back to the biggie, here we go. Five about 5 million with another 8 million more getting ready to be added over the next few days. You get all the information about what they do, where they're at, where they're licensed, their license number, how many years experience they have. You get work information, you get personal information as well down here, and they are adding more. Keep in mind, 5 days old. 5 days. So, this has got incredible potential and just really phenomenal. There's mobile numbers. You get what you need. I mean, and you can search under a lot of different things. So you can search under specialization. One and two. Some doctors have more than one. Dentists, whatever. You can do under credentials, years of experience, sole proprietor, meaning it's their own doctor, and that's it. Medicines that they prescribe, state licenses where they're licensed, the city, state, zip, gender. Now, right now, gender, they are going to be adding other diversity filters in here. Pharmaceutical, pharmacies, whatever the case may be, education, year graduated, full name, and license number. So you can do all of that. You can create lists, download the list with all the contact information. And what's really cool about this is this particular tool works with the Swordfish Chrome extension. So you can actually go ahead and find, if you happen to find somebody and you want to add them, you can. Now, how good is it? How does it compare? Well, I can tell you from my own experiences, let's use the big LinkedIn that everybody seems to fawn over so much. It is very, very, very comparable to LinkedIn. Once you do a search in LinkedIn just in general on doctors, which is hard to do, by the way, you're going to find you're going to be the numbers are going to be almost exactly the same, and the differences between what LinkedIn has and what Heartbeat has, as it stands now, are fake profiles or people who are no longer with us. However, once Heartbeat adds the other millions, and I've seen the list, so I know for a fact these lists are coming and are being done right now as we speak. As a matter of fact, it's going to blow it out of the water. What they have done is just something phenomenal. You know how you go to Duxonomy or you go to this or you go to that site. Well, they've just grabbed it all and decided to just go ahead and bring it in and add it to a database and more. And more, because like I said, they have license numbers. That means they're going out there and searched by licenses in each state. Let me remind you, each state has a health department where registered nurses and doctors have to be listed so you can verify they're legit doctors and nurses or not. And they've done all that, and they're doing more and more and more. And so this is just phenomenal. So let's do my search. Let's pick on Washington State. This is only the U.S., so if you're not U.S. based, sorry, can't help you. Let's see here, 145,755. Well, you know what? I don't know for a fact that that's all of them, but I'd be willing to bet you that it is a lot of them. And I can tell you for a fact it's all the ones listed on the Washington State Health Board because I've actually looked there before. So this is really, really, really great information and can really help you a lot. Now, and again, 5 days old, so they're adding more information And like I said, I've actually seen the data sets they have and seen how much more they're going to be adding. Content information, more specialists, more states, more everything. This is phenomenal because, like I said, I don't know a lot of tools that are just healthcare, medical, and dental orientated. Um, Most of them can do it. But this one here is only it. So if you're in a healthcare recruiter, a medical recruiter, dental recruiter, nurse recruiter, whatever the case may be in the healthcare field, this might be the best thing in the world for you. Now, if you're somewhere where, you do healthcare, but you also do programming and developing and all everything, well, of course, there are tools that do it all. Um, but if all you are is healthcare and all you are is medical and dental and nurses and pharmacies and all that good stuff, this is a phenomenal tool that might be that legitimately is probably one of the best on market already, and it's gonna get better and better and better. Sorry about the screensaver. That's my daughter. You keep saying. Um, just phenomenal. I think this tool has incredible potential. I think it's already just out of gate one of the better ones because, like I said, I don't know many that cater specifically to the medical field, um, and dentals and nurses and lions and tigers and bears and all that stuff. But this one is really phenomenal. And right now it's free trial, so I would be signing up. So let me help you out. It's Heartbeat.ai. I would get there and do it. My name is Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority. May the source be with you.